Out here, we're gonna make some water and feed bowls. Covered it with some old cooking grease. Cover the inside of that one. We got the mortar ready. Let's go. Okay, go.
Do you hold it?
See, it's shifting already.
In center, how you want it?
It gotta be looser than that. Look
Okay,
too
you want
thick.
it small thing? So you can just run down?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, just some more oil than that.
I'm gonna leave it to cure for 24 hours. Hey guys, so 24 hours later, we're gonna do the check of the concrete food bowl that I made. It's dry. Stay tuned for the flip. Came out easy. I just tapped the sides. I used some old cooking oil. I'm not sure if I said that yesterday, but I lubed it up with some old cooking oil because I didn't want any chemicals that could possibly harm the rabbits. I think I might have to leave this part another day because it still feels cold and I don't want it to crack. So guys, yeah, so it's not coming out. It has water in it. I think I'm gonna just cut this flush around the lip of it and leave it like that. I'm gonna let it cure a little while longer though. So full disclosure guys, when I attempted to take it out of the mold, it broke. So we're gonna start over, part 2. I'm going to reuse the big bowl and I'm going to use this cottage cheese instead of this because the lip on it I'm pretty sure was the problem. This is the reason why it snapped. So here's part 2. So I've cut the top, well I guess maybe 1/4 of it off. Oh. So I put the used cooking oil in here and I'm just going to, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just rubbing it all around the inside so that the other container will release. Then I'll rub it on the outside of this one. It's a messy job, but somebody's got to do it. So I cut off the top of the smaller one, and I got an old drink cup. So I'm gonna make a second one with the remainder of the mortar mix. Stay tuned. Put some stones in there to try to weigh it down, so as I put the mortar mix in, it doesn't shift. That was part of the problem with the initial pour. It shifted. So we have 3 variations, guys. Take a look. 1, 2,
Cut this to
3.
size before I get started.
So I'll see you in 24 hours and we take a look. Thanks for joining in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. A little thinner. To release any bubbles. Maybe I should show you all. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's 24 hours later and it's time to check the bowls that will be for the rabbit food. Remember, I made 3 variations. 24 hours later, we're gonna free the first part of the mold. Gonna be gentle this time and not do any harebrained cuts when it's not really cured yet. All right. So there they are. They're dried. So stay tuned. Came out easy. I like this one. So I'm very pleased with how they came out. This one is the star of the show. The big one is perfect. I'll try to get the bottom out tomorrow. And then these 2, I'm going to pour a separate bottom in them, because it's just easier to do it in stages for me. I'm still a novice at this thing, but I'm really pleased how this one came out. So we give thanks. This your girl Nuru. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, tell a friend. Better yet, tell 10. Your girl Nuru's got a YouTube channel and she's doing a little bit of everything. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you so choose. Have a blessed day, y'all. Don't forget, stay sweet and always walk in light. Peace. Hey guys, just a quick video to show you the completed bowls that I made. The rabbits will be here any day soon. So, this is what the inside looks like. It's not really deep. I'm gonna just cut the plastic away because it's easier. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Oh, I took them out of the molds. This is the bottom. They're just for feed. They're not for anything wet. So this is how the bottom came out. It's not really deep. I wanted something heavy that they couldn't knock over. And this is the smaller of the three. So once again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for your likes, for your comments, for your support, especially the seasoned YouTubers that have stopped in and gave me some pointers, from my sister Watch Queen Cook in Toronto, who's from St. Kitts as well, from my sister Marie at Farming on the Rocks. Thank you both for your inspiration and your guidance along this journey. And for all these sweet lighters, I say continue to be sweet and always walk in light. Peace. This is your girl Nuru signing out.